Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a safe workout environment with Gold's Gym. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Creating a safe workout environment is essential for maximizing your fitness journey. Start by choosing an appropriate space for your workouts. Make sure the area is well lit and free from obstructions. Clear away any clutter that could lead to tripping or accidents. Ensure proper ventilation to maintain airflow and keep the area comfortable. Check the flooring for any damage or uneven surfaces that could pose a risk. If you're in a gym like Gold's Gym, familiarize yourself with the layout and emergency exits. Next, gather the necessary equipment, ensuring that each piece is in good working condition. Inspect weights, machines, and any accessories for wear and tear. Secure any loose cables or cords to prevent tripping hazards. Before beginning your workout, warm up to prepare your muscles and joints. This helps reduce the risk of injury. As you exercise, focus on maintaining proper form to avoid strain. Stay hydrated throughout your session by having water nearby. If you're using a gym, respect the equipment and fellow gymgoers. Clean the machines after each use to maintain hygiene and safety. With these steps, you'll create a safe environment that enhances your workout experience. Remember, safety is key to achieving your fitness goals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.